Hi guys, I'm Ashif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this custom material effect in Unreal Engine, and I'm not going to make a tutorial of this. This is just for my Patreons for supporting me, and I'll just show you how long this material is. This is pretty much big material, and this is the link I have mentioned here because this material is originally not mine. It is inspired from this guy, this GLSL shader here, and I created this material look like not exactly same, but I tried it with Node. This is not code based, so I just tried it as my learning process because I'm also learning HLSL, as you know. So sometime I create HLSL shader with these GLSL shaders, and this time I just tried it with Nodes. So you can download it from my Patreon, and it has some custom parameters, not very useful, but you can use some like for tiling and like this. So maybe these are useful or not, I don't know. You can use it. It's look good. So it's up to you. You can edit this and you can check how this code is working here if you have some knowledge of code, and then you can check my material. So maybe you will learn something how it's working actually. And because I was just trying something and it was created, so I thought I should give it to my Patreons. So that's it, and thanks for supporting me, and download it from my Patreon page, and bye.